I'm probably one of those few people who got into this field where 90% of the people thought animation was lamination. तो अब 10 साल के लिए इसमें पैसे भरो, एटलीस्ट 3 बजे उठ के कहीं जाना तो नहीं पड़ेगा. दिन भर काम करेगा और ड्राइंग करेगा जो उसको पसंद है एंड सेम पैसे कमाएगा. It was more of a matter of helping the parents understand how commercially viable the options are available because of.
Hi, I am Kavya Chavali, and welcome to this episode on the Ungyan podcast by Arena Animation, जहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे about the dynamic world of animation, VFX, gaming, and extended reality, where we build genuine connections with our guests and avoid the zabardasti ka gyan. Our conversations are going to bring you unique perspectives and experiences from this vibrant industry. Storytelling se lekar character design, we're about to explore the various processes behind the magic. So on this episode, we have Sangram Borse, creative director of Climb Media. Now, he wears several hats as he is an award-winning animation filmmaker. In fact, unhe jana jata hai for his work as the head of animation on 1001 Days and M. Sahar with the Doha Film Institute. He has also worked on prestigious Indian shows such as The Legend of Bahubali and Chakra, The Invincible, jo ki hai Stan Lee's first Indian superhero. So join us as we explore his journey and insights into the world of animation. So Sangram, firstly, thank you so much for joining us at the Ungyan podcast. पहले तो let's get started by understanding one thing, your journey. Animation filmmaking की बात हो रही है. I want to know, what was that visual effect in your life that sparked that interest saying, this is the field I want to choose? And why did you choose to become an educator?
Well, first of all, let me begin with saying that I'm probably one of those few people who got into this field where 90% of the people thought animation was lamination. And I'm not kidding. Like I actually, fortunately, I come from a family where my mother is an artist, my father is an artist and an architect. So even back when I was in 8th standard, when that was the time when we decided that animation is the field that we want to pursue, my parents had the vision ki 10 years down the road, 20 years down the road, how big this industry is going to be.
Wow.
So that was very rare in my case. So 13, that is in 1997, I guess. No, 2000, around 2000, in 2000. So in 8th standard, I started going to, learning some digital, I started learning some digital softwares and stuff. Drawing to bachpan se drawing to every single book mein drawing ke pages ene bhare hue the hamesha. And that drawing ka passion never went away. And it might sound a bit cheesy right now, but it was in 8th standard when I decided with my parents that कि 12th के बाद 3 साल इंडिया में एनिमेशन करेंगे, फिर 4 साल बाहर जाके डिग्री लेंगे, फिर 3 साल बाहर किसी स्टूडियो में सीखेंगे, and after that I will come back and start my own animation studio.
But I just have a quick question, because I think somebody should laminate this, that animation was thought as lamination.
No, it is true.
But then what was that moment? Was it something that you saw on TV, somebody who spoke to you? Because for an 8th standard kid to have that kind of clarity, ki bhai
but that was also because of my parents. That was also because us growing up and watching cartoons with my parents. And obviously my dad is an architect, my mom, like he has his own business. My mom has been a businesswoman her entire life. The only 3 years when she did not work was like my first 3 years of my life after I was born. And uske baad bhi she started working. So they were always on a lookout for what is different out there. What is it different out there that we can get into it sooner than later, that will, be something interesting, that will be, that will change or not even change my life. It's just that is a bit hatke than architecture and stuff like that, because my grandfather was a cop. My uncle also ended up becoming a cop. My dad's sister is a doctor. So वो सारे professions में से having my father become an architect at that point was thoda different.
Very unconventional for those times.
For those times.
Yeah. I'll just interject here because what you said was absolutely right. But there's also the saying, right, that formal education makes you a living, self-education makes you a fortune.
Yes.
So do you think that a lot of these people who are, doing banking, doing other things, and then suddenly they realize that, hey, this is something I was passionate about, and they're able to educate themselves and they're able to get into that field, they're actually doing well. They're doing really well because they're finding their calling.
So
and
there is a very famous, I think it's Richard Williams, if I'm not wrong. He's one of the one of the veterans of not Indian animation, of the world of animation. उनकी book जो है वो सब लोग as a Bible follow करते हैं. I think it is Richard Williams, I can be wrong. He went back, he thought after creating one of the best series out there in the world, after shaping the animation of the world, he realized कि यार I still don't know anything. At the age of 52 he went back to learning fine arts. So see, it is not just applied to animation but in every single field, that if you are truly passionate about something, you will do good in it, as long as, and more than passion, as long as you're disciplined about it, you will definitely do good in it.
Agree.
So, and I would just like to end this topic with one last important thing is I do a lot of consultation sessions for kids who are already in this industry or who's about to get into the industry, or our industry as in the actual market, or who are planning, or who are in their 12th standard and they are willing to take this up as an education. My every single consulting session, I take it only with their parents. If they are sitting there by themselves, I said, let's reschedule. I'm not going to talk only to you, either your guardian or your parents, because there are some times when there's a guardian present. If your parent is not present, there is no point of this consultation, because more than you, the reason you are not able to get into animation is because you're not able to convince your parents ki why animation is good. Animation has been amazing since like couple decades now. चल तो रहा ही है. It is one of the most lucrative careers. आप architecture बन के.
So do these parents also come with a statement saying, but animation तो cartoon ही है?
Of course.
This still happens?
Well, not still.
Okay.
Because all over the world, I saw this really amazing ये कि our grandfathers were busy creating a standard of life, trying to just maintain, and they were focused on survival, getting everyone together. Our parents were busy in creating a standard of life. We are busy in maintaining that standard of life. अपने बच्चे और ये 26-year-old के जो अभी के लोग हैं, they are more focused on quality of life. Right? तो ये एक जो पूरा ये आया है, we as a generation या फिर अपनी generation, there is a very amazing statistic that over 70% of the fathers know how to change a diaper. Over 80% of fathers, they spend more time with their kids compared to my parents. Like my father says, यार संग्राम मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि मैं तेरे ये school functions को कब आता था. It's not his fault. He was responsible for making money and maintaining or giving us a better life, and everyone's father for here for that matter, right? So it is not their fault. So जब मैं 10 साल पहले ये करता था, these parents had these questions and I had to kind of tell them, and also thoda be stern with the kid also कि you cannot be so hard on them. There is a reason they are saying that. I used to be thoda stern on them also, because as we said कि यार सिर्फ एनिमेशन करना है. एनिमेशन के लिए क्या मेहनत करो, ये पेरेंट्स को दिखाओ तो. आप अगर दो दिखाओगे नहीं तो पेरेंट्स कैसे कन्विंस होंगे. सो इट वॉज वेरी, दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई पेरेंट्स आर ऑल्सो नीडेड, बिकॉज बैक इन माई डे व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू एनिमेशन, अभी मेरे जनरेशन के या माई पार्टनर किरीत, वन ऑफ द वेटरन्स ऑफ इंडियन एनिमेशन, वी ऑल कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड जिनके पेरेंट्स हैव बीन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. So it was easier for us. That's why they were able to lean us into this industry, but 90% didn't.
Right.
So that's why, but ये also बहुत ज़्यादा change हो गया है. अभी when I talk to parents, अभी when I have these consultation sessions, the parents are a lot more, open. They understand.
And is
more.
that also because social media somewhere has contributed that awareness point of view?
Of course, social media है, time है. They have time to actually look up these things. The mothers have time to look up these things कि यार बच्चे के लिए और क्या अलग अलग हो सकता है. Because of social media, because of awareness.
Because of and a lot more conversations are happening in terms of what else is happening around the world.
See, ये चीज़ जल्दी नहीं हो सकती थी. Everything takes its course, everything takes its time. This was the time of social media, इतना ये होना, एक exposure ज़्यादा बढ़ना, that all the stars are aligning properly right now. How to
Now,
take it.
from students, let me quickly switch the gears to the parents.
Yeah.
Because animation, this is not me saying, but like you had mentioned, hota ye कि people assume कि it's not a serious career. And parents
Yeah.
also sometimes come with that kind of a misconception that it's not a serious career when we compare it to medicine, engineering, again, the conventional ones.
Yeah.
But being a parent yourself, how do you think can you guide a parent to have that kid take up animation, as a career?
See, this is no longer a big task for me. I've already been through that cycle, and but I would like to go back to around maybe 2014, 2015, when I used to talk to parents, and quite honestly, 50% of the people who consult with me back then, they never got into animation because of how honest I was. What to expect from animation? Like, I had a friend who was fluent in 14 languages. He got into animation just because he liked drawing Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. 4 साल के बाद he went back to doing something else.
But why?
Because he got into animation thinking कि मैं यहाँ के सिर्फ drawing करूँगा. Back then, parents and sometimes kids also, उनका perception from animation is a lot different. Like, मुझे बचपन में drawing करना पसंद है इसलिए animation में आ गया. Animation is not for you. You need to understand what goes into animation. So I used to sit them down. I used to explain them कि animation में ये सब होता है. आप अगर ये सब करोगे, ये अगर आप अच्छे से फ्लो ये करोगे, तो ऑब्वियसली जस्ट लाइक इंजीनियर, जस्ट लाइक आर्किटेक्ट, आई यूज्ड टू कंपेयर, एंड दिस वाज मेनली फॉर द पेरेंट्स. कि पेरेंट्स बोले कि यार मेरे चाचा डॉक्टर है तो उनको भी डॉक्टर बना देंगे. हम लाइक ठीक है ना, आप बनाओ. 10 साल तो लगेंगे ना एग्ज़ाम के लिए. 10 साल के बाद अगर उसको 3 बजे कॉल आता है कि यार ऑपरेशन को जाना है, तो जाना पड़ेगा ही. तो आप और 10 साल के लिए तो आप पैसे भरोगे उसके, तो आप 10 साल के लिए इसमें पैसे भरो. एटलीस्ट 3 बजे उठ के कहीं जाना तो नहीं पड़ेगा. दिन भर काम करेगा और ड्राइंग करेगा जो उसको पसंद है, एंड सेम पैसे कमाएगा. एंड आई वुड गिव देम एग्जाम्पल्स एज वेल कि आपका इंजीनियर आपके अगर कोई इंजीनियर है, आप उनको पूछो कि कितने साल के बाद कितने पैसे कमा रहे हैं. इसमें भी वही है. एंड आई वुड गिव देम एग्जाम्पल्स कि आप ये देखो, आप ये फील्ड देखो, आप ये या फिर ये कंपनी देखो, दिस इज़ हाउ मच दे आर पेइंग. बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मच ही इज़ लर्निंग. इफ़ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये डॉक्टर अच्छा बनेगा पर एनिमेशन में 2 साल में कहीं पे आप छोटा सा कोर्स करके बोल रहे हो कि ये नहीं कमाएगा, देन इट डजंट वर्क. सो इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ मैटर ऑफ हेल्पिंग द पेरेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड how lucrative, like how commercially viable the options are available because of the lack of exposure back then.
And that's true, because a lot of people don't have clarity on the financial growth that one can
Exactly.
have, especially in animation. So do you think that is still more relevant right now?
No.
Okay.
I mean, most of the parents, they are completely aware of how good this field is.
That's good news, right?
Oh, that's wonderful news. 80% of the students in colleges are 18, 19-year-olds.
Wow.
So 12th के बाद, 20 years old, like 12th के बाद they are directly coming into animation. ये scene 2010, 2013 में नहीं था. And था भी, पर colleges में इतने ज़्यादा नहीं था. कुछ ना कुछ सीख के आ रहे हैं, वैसा वाला सीन था. So because of पेरेंट्स का सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू एक्सपोजर, बिकॉज ऑफ पेरेंट्स के लाइफस्टाइल, जैसे हमारे अभी बात हुई थी पूरे जनरेशन्स की लाइफस्टाइल, एंड उसके वजह से
more open as well.
दे हैव मोर टाइम टू बी मोर ओपन. टाइम ही नहीं था, कहाँ से ओपन होंगे. दे हैव मोर टाइम टू बी ओपन. उसके वजह से अभी इट इज़ लिटरली अ पीस ऑफ केक.
I want to ask you something, and it's a blunt question, Sangram, very blunt question. कि कई जो हमारे इंडस्ट्रीज है, whether it's the Indian film industry per se, animation, is there a particular industry that is better than the other in India? Do you see that
Industry as in,
for example, in South, the way they approach animation versus how they are approaching across other industries? I'm not trying to make it
See, I
dicey,
think-
but just trying to understand from.
Let's not get into the live action part because I don't think so. लाइव एक्शन में आई फील सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड और चैलेंजिंग और जो थोड़ा ऐसे ब्रेवरी दिखा रहे हैं, इट इज़ ऑब्वियसली साउथ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री. दे आर अ लॉट मोर मच्योर. वी सी द फिल्म्स दैट कम आउट ऑफ इट. चली चली नहीं चली पर मैं अगली इससे और अच्छी बनाऊंगा, सॉर्ट ऑफ. तो बट वहाँ पे एक एक्सेप्टेंस है. वहाँ पे रजनीकांत पैर ऐसे करके 50 लोग उड़ने को भी एक्सेप्टेंस है और बाहुबली को भी है. सो इट इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट मार्केट आई फील. उसके बाद वन ऑफ द सेकेंड बिगेस्ट इंडस्ट्री इज़ द बंगाली और द मराठी इंडस्ट्री, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट सीन अ फिल्म लाइक सैराट बीइंग मेड इन like an original film made in Bollywood. And I think Bollywood as the end, but Bollywood is more entertaining and commercially successful because of being a Hindi industry and an entertainment है. आज लोगों को घर जाके डॉक्यूमेंट्री नहीं देखनी है, लोगों को घर जाके एक गाने देखने होते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
So let's not get into the live action side, but I feel that animation में जो हम अभी बात कर रहे थे कि animation में all over India there has been a huge craze of anime. Obviously because of access to anime. आज छोटे छोटे बच्चे are following that trend, are following 3-4 season की story line. And I have a wonderful example. So my wife works at a studio for the last 12 years and she is the creative director of the entire studio, and they are number 2 in the world in YouTube for kid space.
Wow.
So they are the only competition to Moonbug right now in the kid space. Unka studio, and she's been the creative director over there for the last 12 years. So I was talking to her owner and he was saying कि संग्राम हमारा एक चैनल है जहाँ पे हम बच्चे आके like professionals आके वीडियो गेम्स खेलते हैं and we stream that. 5-6 years ago मेरा एवरेज एज ग्रुप वो स्ट्रीमिंग देखने वाला 7 साल का था. अभी 4 साल के बच्चे देखने लग गए हैं. उतना ज़्यादा एवोल्यूशन हुआ है. आज 5-5, 6-6 साल के बच्चे 2008 से लेके 2020 तक की पूरी अवेंजर्स की ये फॉलो करते हैं. सो आई फील दैट दिस एंटायर बूम हैज़ हैपेंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, ऑल ओवर इंडिया एक साथ. Like all the people that that I communicate with, all the abhi ke jo young blood that is running the Indian animation industry. There is Upamanyu, there is Dev Jyoti Bhattacharya, there is Gaurav Alkar. All ye jo young blood hai, they are from all over India. But there is a lot of action in terms of government policies and that is happening a lot in the south. So अभी केरला की AVGC policy ये हुई है. As we spoke, Hyderabad में there is a big space dedicated,
1 million square feet.
Exactly, dedicated only for not just live action like animation, but live action, animation, everything, which is a humong. Telangana government has been very supportive of everything. So there is a lot of movement that is happening in the south, and I've been seeing there is slowly movement happening like in Maharashtra and abhi dheere dheere up in the north as well. So it is starting in the south, but this boom that has happened is mainly all over India, all over. But there's a lot of work coming in to like in India, like high quality work because of this boom.
You were talking about Gen AI, and I also realized that if you look at the times we are in, abhi, it's the 2 gens that are running the world. One is Gen AI and one is Gen Z. So Gen AI, how do you think it's really impacting the AVGC industry? And do you see it also impacting the way the jobs are changing?
Of course. I think, see, this is like has become a very common thing. Like मेरे last panel में भी एक ये सवाल था और मैंने एक चीज़ बोली थी, guys, you might not like what I'm like. All the other 4 were thoda diplomatic, but I was like, you guys are not going to like this thing what I'm about to say. It is here to stay. You can either give up or you can learn to be with it. पर अगर आप रिडंडेंट हो जाओगे तो आपका जॉब लिया लाइक जेन AI, लाइक AI विल टेक योर जॉब लाइक दैट. एंड जितने स्पीड से चीज़ें बढ़ रही है, सोरा नया जो एक आ रहा है जहाँ से कमर्शियल्स बनने लग गए हैं, इतने सारे हो रहे, इट इज़ गोइंग टू सी लाइफ. इट्स लाइक सेइंग कि यार मैं फ़ोन क्यों यूज़ करूँ या मैं मेरी फ़ोन की डायरेक्टरी क्यों यूज़ करूँ, मुझे वो तो हैंड वाली डायरेक्टरी चाहिए. इट्स लाइक सेइंग लाइक इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन क्यों हुआ. Life is about making things convenient. फ़ोन्स क्यों कन्वीनियंट होते हैं, फेसबुक क्यों आया, हम लोग डायरी क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं, वाई कांट वी यूज एल्बम राइट नाउ, वाई आर वी यूजिंग इंस्टाग्राम. We cannot complain about AI.
Yeah.
AI is here to stay. The people who learn to use AI to their advantage, like आज जिस चीज़ I don't even feel sorry saying this right now, but जिस चीज़ के लिए मुझे अभी 1 महीना लगता था and I has to coordinate with 3 different concept artists to make one Bible, आज I can do that in one day using AI. And not just using AI, this is where the trick is, where artist can separate themselves कि आज मैं AI से एक चीज़ जो मुझे चाहिए वो 90% ला के 10% मैं वो कॉन्सेप्ट पे काम करता हूँ, तब जाके एक चीज़ बनती है. सो यस, आज हमारा टाइम, आज लोगों का टाइम, लोगों का मनी, एवरीथिंग हैज़ इज सेव्ड एंड यू आर गेटिंग हाइस्ट क्वालिटी आउटपुट फॉर अ वेरी नॉमिनल अमाउंट. And the second point that you mentioned is about jobs. Jobs are going to change in a very different way. कुछ महीनों में, like कुछ सालों में, they've started changing. So colleges have started integrating AI in their curriculum.
Okay.
It is important. You have to live with it now. Jobs have started. ये कैसे जॉब्स आने लगेंगे, वी नीड अ कॉन्सेप्ट आर्टिस्ट विथ अ नॉलेज ऑफ मिड जर्नी या विथ अ नॉलेज ऑफ AI.
I'll also circle it back क्योंकि while you're doing this crystal ball gazing for us, for the industry, students, like you had also mentioned, right, when you said that after the whole graduation process, it's nice for them to, sort of 3 months freelance so that way they'll also get a hang of the industry. But what should students in AVGC actually do if they want to approach the studios? Is there a formula? Is there a way कि भाई this is how students can approach the studios?
So there are quite a few ways. एक सीक्रेट है जो मैं देने वाला हूँ सबको. आई हैव अ वेरी बिग वीडियो ऑल्सो अबाउट दिस ऑन माई चैनल, विच इज़ एवरी स्टूडियो इज़ ऑलवेज हायरिंग. ऐसा एक भी स्टूडियो नहीं है इस दुनिया में जो बोलेगा कि बॉस हम हायर नहीं कर रहे. एवरी स्टूडियो इज़ ऑलवेज हायरिंग, बट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर, बट दे आर ओनली जब वो नोटिफिकेशन पोस्टिंग नहीं करते हैं ना, तब दे आर लुकिंग फॉर समवन हु इज़ डिफरेंट. सो आपको क्या करना है कि इफ़ यू वांट टू लेट्स से वैभव स्टूडियोज, वंडरफुल स्टूडियो, वैभव इज़ अ जेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, वन ऑफ इंडियाज़, यानी अलग लेवल पे इंडियन एनिमेशन लेके जा रहा है. इफ़ यू वांट टू, बस मुझे वैभव के पास ही काम करना है, आप 1 साल सिर्फ और सिर्फ वैभव के स्टाइल में पोर्टफोलियो बनाओ. आपका 80% पोर्टफोलियो शुड बी कि ये आपकी स्टाइल है. मैं आपको 1990 ये सिंपू सरदार ना तब से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, एंड आज तक आपने ये किया हुआ है, ये मेरी स्टाइल है, ये मेरा स्टोरी टेलिंग का है जो आपके स्टाइल से मैच करता है, एंड ये 20% ऑफ माई पोर्टफोलियो इज़ समथिंग दैट आई कैन ऐड ऑन टू योर ये. आप अगर इतना डेडिकेशन से करोगे ना, कोई भी हायर करेगा, बिकॉज स्टूडियोज वॉन्ट दोज काइंड ऑफ कोर पीपल. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग, दैट इज़ वन टेक अवे दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम माई बॉस व्हेन आई वाज एट मर्क्यूरी. उसने मुझे यही बोला कि तू मेरे स्टाइल में काम करके दिखा, मैं तुझे हायर कर लूँगा. एंड सो व्हेन आई वाज लीविंग मर्क्यूरी, Clint, one of the nicest guy, the owner, he gave me almost an hour and a half. And rather than talking about business and ये कैसे करना है, बिजनेस कैसे चलाना है, ही 1.5 घंटा उसने सिर्फ ये बात की कि लोगों को कैसे संभालना है, जो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड सेम होता है, राइट. एंड उसमें फिर ये 2-3 बातें इधर उधर की निकलती है. तो दिस इज़ वन थिंग.
So can I say that that was your Angyan moment as well, because you literally got the right advice, the right thing to do, rather than, I mean, and I think
it was a very nice.
This is pretty enlightening, I must say, Sangram. Because what you've shared applies not just to the AVGC industry, applies across life.
See, business हर जगह पे अलग होता है. Canadian business अलग है, Indian business अलग है. But if you find the right people, they are same everywhere. So वो एक अलग ये था, but that was one thing that was very that I took from there. But yeah, so what was our point?
So we were generally talking about what can students do to approach.
So this one
very
thing
good
was
tip you've
कि
given.
आपको ई सुरेश के पास जाना है, उनकी आप उनका काम देखो. 80% योर पोर्टफोलियो शुड बी दैट, 20% ऑफ योर पोर्टफोलियो शुड बी आप उनके पास क्या ऐड कर सकते हो, और फिर आपको वो कभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. बिकॉज वी एज स्टूडियो ओनर्स, वी एज आर्टिस्ट, हमें एक ड्राइंग देख के पता चलता है कि ये बंदा जेन्युइन है कि नहीं. एंड वो छोड़ के आपको कहाँ पे अप्रोच करना है. अगर आप BCC करके आप 10,000 लोगों को सेंड करने वाले हो ना, मैं तो वो ईमेल खोलता भी नहीं हूँ. यू हैव टू बी स्पेसिफिक, यू हैव टू बी पर्सनल. आपको अगर देर आर गिन के 50-60 स्टूडियोज़, बिग स्टूडियोज़ जो आपके फील्ड में है. इफ़ यू आर अ BG आर्टिस्ट, तो देर आर 50-60 स्टूडियोज जहाँ पे आप अप्लाई करोगे. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक द एफर्ट ऑफ मेकिंग अ पर्सनलाइज्ड ईमेल फॉर देम and having a professional portfolio, like, which is not too big, not too small, precise,
To the point.
to the point. 10 artwork, हमें तो 3 में ही पता चल जाता है कि ये चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, पर 10 आर्टवर्क इन अ प्रॉपर PDF विथ आपका नाम. आप प्रोफेशनली वैसे ये करो, बट मोर देन आर्टवर्क इट इज़ आपका अगर ईमेल 3-4 लाइन का पर्सनलाइज्ड नहीं होगा, then no one bothers looking into it. It shows how much you care.
True. If I do a BCC and send a mail to you,
मैं तो रिप्लाई भी नहीं करता.
correct, because then I'm
वो
just
पता
putting you
चल
as an
जाता
option,
है.
then I become that option.
एग्जैक्टली
वही हो
वो
जाता
पता
है.
भी नहीं चलता. नहीं, वो एक तो पता चलता है. कुछ लोग एक्चुअली BCC करके अच्छा ईमेल लिखते हैं. दे माइट गेट सम पॉइंट्स कि चलो ठीक है पढ़ लेते हैं, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द लॉट देर आर, यू वोंट बिलीव, एक बंदा रेज्यूमे लेके आया था मेरे पास. ही लिटरली ऐसे रेज्यूमे निकाला. इट वॉज फोल्डेड 8 times, एंड A4 पेपर वॉज फोल्डेड 8 times. दैट वॉज क्रम्बल्ड अप.
Oh,
Then there are sometimes you get emails which are basically BCC है, want job, reply. These are the 3 words.
that direct.
Oh, that direct. See, I don't. These are the.
Is it that they don't have time?
No, it's
looking
no,
for a job.
These kind of kids are not really. They don't really want to be in this field. That's what I feel.
Okay.
But there are some students who do take that effort. The English is all over the place. I have told them कि I don't care about your English. मुझे दिखता है आपने एफर्ट लिया है ना. वो इंग्लिश कुछ भी रहने दो. इंग्लिश में 1-2 हिंदी वर्ड्स रहते हैं, वो इंग्लिश हो जाते हैं. आई एम लाइक, आई डोंट केयर. आपको यहाँ के इंग्लिश नहीं सीखना है, काम करना है.
Right.
पर वो एक मेहनत दिखनी चाहिए कि I respect your institute or your studio by taking in that effort and not just sending out a random email. So please take that effort, and if you have the time, आप 3rd year में हो, 4th year 1 साल है, अगर एक किसी स्पेसिफिक स्टूडियो में जाना है ना, तो फिर मेहनत लो.
That's true. उससे पता भी चलता है यार इतना जुनून है. The passion is that this person really wants this badly and wants to make it. So Sangram, before we get into the rapid fire, a hot question coming your way. And I think this is not just on my mind, but everybody's minds.
Yeah.
Is a degree important to make it big in the animation industry?
In today's day, well, not today's day, like I would say no. And by that I mean, see, degree, सिर्फ वो नाम के लिए आप डिग्री ले लोगे, so it doesn't really matter. It is important that you choose courses which will improve your skill set. Yes, it is very important to find a course that covers the basics, because without basics then आप कुछ भी बाकी का सीख के then फ़ायदा नहीं है. But find a course, even if it is a diploma course, even if it is a skill enhancement course. There are many that are focusing on skill enhancement as well. So I think it is more important that you find something that enhances your skills, not only teaches you the basics, but also helps you. And these can be like small courses as well.
Anything that can add up to the skilling, that will be crucial.
Exactly. But I would recommend always start with something that is basic and then work your way up. आज डिग्री हम क्यों बोलते हैं? Because वो 4 साल की diligent पढ़ाई होती है. आज वो पढ़ाई आप कहीं से भी करो. There are many people who might not be able to afford a 4-year course. So there are substitute courses, there are skill setting आपका enhance करने के courses. But of course, be be literate and educated about ki what you want to do in this field of animation. Is everything being covered in the skill set? And there are so many people जो छोटे छोटे courses, skill improvement courses करके आते हैं, and they are exceptionally well. So that really doesn't matter. All it matters is आप कोई भी course कर रहे हो उसमें से how you take the 100% and implement that in your journey towards what you want to be in this industry.
So Sangram, let's now move on to the next segment और ये मेरा favorite segment है. This is the अनज्ञान shots. और इसमें plan क्या है मेरा? To throw these shots at you and to get you to rapidly let me know your thoughts. तो मेरा पहला question ये है कि one ज्ञान या फिर एक unsolicited advice जो आपको मिला आपके life में.
There was a business, there was a peer, a friend of mine who said कि तू इंडिया में आया है तो do not worry, do not care about artists. Studios में तो आते जाते रहेंगे.
Really?
I will not say who, when, but that was one thing जो like इधर से आया इधर से चला गया.
So this is the kind of ज्ञान that you anyway don't listen to, you don't bother
Actually मैं
about.
भूल जाता हूँ.
ये तो अच्छी बात है, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा
हाँ, I mean,
talent
like,
है.
वो आता है and there are just so many other things like मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि यार ठीक है कभी अभी मैंने इतना सोचा तो वो थोड़ा ध्यान में आया.
ठीक है, तो then in that case one अनज्ञान that you still hold close to you today.
Help everyone without expecting in return in this field. Like every single day I may get 2-3 different phone calls help के लिए. Usually I have gone to the limit of helping them out by जहाँ पे I would charge for a client, but I've gone out and helped people out. So it always pays back.
Wow.
So in this field, be helpful. It is a very small industry.
I think that I hear very rarely, with regard to being kind and, being helpful. So that's wonderful.
I actually got this from my partner. Like I was helpful and everything, but then a couple years ago when I partnered with Kirit Khurana, one of the nicest and the most amazing veterans in this industry, I used to question him like not question him, I used to question myself, यार जो बंदा कॉल करता है Kirit is getting on a 1 hour call with him, कितनी हेल्प करेगा कोई इंसान किसी भी चीज़ से. बट द मोर आई गॉट टू नो हिम एंड अभी 1.5-2 साल के अंदर आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि आप जितना ओपनली लोगों को हेल्प करोगे इवेंचुअली इट डज कम बैक.
Beautiful.
सो एंड इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री. साथ में आगे बढ़ना है.
Exactly.
एक दूसरे को खींच के नहीं बढ़ना है.
Yes. So, okay. Very curious to know कि अगर if you had the opportunity to bring a fictional world back to life, which...
A fictional world back to life.
Yeah.
Mad Max.
Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
I love that series.
That's maddening. Okay. Nice. Mad Max it is.
Mad Max it is.
Okay.
Were you expecting Harry Potter या ऐसे कुछ?
नहीं. Listen, I've spent
Narnia.
like good 15-20 minutes. I knew I was heading to something wacky with you.
अच्छा. Second would be Lord of the Rings. Yes. But Mad Max first.
Mad Max first,
Yes.
Lord of the Rings next.
Yes.
Okay. I am already stuck in that entire chapter around the forest of Lord of the Rings. But yeah, super. Now, what's that one movie that you watched 100 times but are never tired of?
Lion King. I mean, you can't go tired. I would like to share the same thing that we spoke. So there was this one time when I'm not exaggerating it. Almost for 8 months, I watched Lion King every day. So I would work. Obviously, I was at work और side में movie चलती थी. Then वो 2D movie का जो 3D conversion होके आता है वो release होने वाला था. And that day also I watched it twice before going to the movie. Then I watched it in the theater and I came home and I watched it again. But I think it is a masterpiece. One movie that is better than Lion King is The Jungle Book, 1965 wali, Disney's last movie that he directed. I mean, it's just everything together perfectly done. But yeah, Lion King any day. आप अभी लगा दो हम देख के चले. देख लेंगे.
अरे बढ़िया. So that's something that you will still watch today, even if it's on. You just
Yes.
Wow.
My daughter was asked. She's 3 years old. My daughter was asked to watch Finding Nemo उसके स्कूल में प्ले ग्रुप में. तो वो घर पे आई बोली बाबा let's watch Finding Nemo, right? So I'm like, okay. I'm like, do you really want to watch it? Yes, Baba, because it is a story where the mother dies and then the baby is taken away from the father to a 3-year-old. I'm like, okay. पहले आधी मूवी देखी और जो रोना चालू की, बाबा, where is Mama Fish? Where is Baba? Where is Nemo? Then दूसरे तीसरे तीन time के बाद then she was okay. So I went to my wife and I was like, it's time to make her watch The Lion King. But I think I'll wait for another, maybe she's 5 because then she will understand Mufasa's death a bit more.
Yeah.
Man, I'm coming across so sadistic right now. But I'll wait for one more year to. But you have.
You're going to scheme for the entire world to today sit and watch The Lion King. Okay.
I still cry when Mufasa dies, and my wife still makes fun of me, and I'm waiting for my daughter to watch that moment and record her reaction.
I think now even I want to go and watch Lion King with Sangram because
I'm
I think the
not-
way you look at the passion that you have for the Lion King, it's
And
amazing.
It's,
yeah.
it's a good movie. It's a good movie.
That I agree. That I'm sure the world also agrees. Okay, quickly, we'll move from the Lion King to now getting back to you. One creative skill, if you had the chance to master it overnight, what would that creative skill be?
Storytelling.
Well, you are already good at storytelling.
Oh, no. I'm nowhere close to being good at it.
Okay.
Yes, but storytelling is something that I would want to be good at. And अगर आप drawing की skill की अगर बात करें ना, being a concept artist.
So storytelling and concept artist.
Concept artist.
Wow. Okay. You've been talking about all your amazing friends, everyone, but if there was one animated character that could be your best partner in crime, which one would that be?
Sinbad from the Legend of Seven Seas.
Wow. Been a
Yes.
while since I heard of Sinbad.
Yes, Sinbad, the Legend of Seven Seas. Wo wala Sinbad, yes.
You are also a traveler. Do you want to do world tour with him?
I wouldn't mind going off the edge in that boat that he converts into a flying ship. But yes, I can't think, like, no one else just comes to your mind like that. But yeah, Sinbad, I was blown away by that movie.
Wow. So then इसी के साथ my last question coming, my last shot rather, would be if you could direct an animated version of any classic book, which one would you choose?
Wow. ये प्लीज कट कर लेना. नहीं, इसके लिए तो टाइम चाहिए.
Yeah, there'll be a lot on your plate. Like,
There'll be a lot on
Yeah.
my plate. I know this is a very like it might not. It's Into the Wild. वो जो book थी about the guy who leaves his family, he goes to the ये and वहाँ पे एक school bus में वो रहता है.
Iconic.
I think that is Into the Wild. I think that is one book that I would want to make into an animate. I see that was the first movie that I saw which was very true to the book. Oh, I wouldn't mind doing Crows as well. Stephen Hawking's.
That would be a brilliant
and
idea.
Carrie. I'm a huge Stephen Hawking buff. So Carrie and the Crow. Yes. ये Into the Woods जाने दो.
okay, the moment you said carry, I'm carried away already. So that would be a
that would be good. I don't
super
think the
idea. That would be a
movies-
killer idea, literally.
That like the movies don't do justice to the book, but Crows and Carrie, yes. Let's go.
Yes. All right. So with that, while we call it a wrap to the Ungyan Shots, we're also calling it a wrap to the podcast with you. Sangram, thank you so much for joining. And thank you so much for, sort of getting us to actually understand the entire animation industry from a very different perspective. In fact, I managed to learn so much more. So thank you. Thank you for your time. Any last
thank you.
message for our viewers? Any last message?
This is a wonderful field, not only commercially but like passionately as well. So if you have the discipline, if you have the will to work, I think this field is something that can never go wrong. So if you have the discipline, if you have the passion, I think it's the best thing you can ever do. Thank you.